Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, dear students. Welcome to online class arranged by St. Xavier School, Khulna. This is Muhammad Jagaria Khan. I have been working as an assistant teacher of English at St. Xavier School, Khulna. Dear learners, I expect that all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am Alhamdulillah. I am also fine. Dear students, it is known to you that your annual examination has been postponed by the Ministry of Education. This exam will be not held in this year, but you have to submit your assignment based on your subject. Dear students, today I am going to conduct a class for class 6 English second paper. I think that you all are ready to participate my class. Let's go to start our class. Welcome, dear students, to my class. This is my introduction. This is my identity. I have already given you. Dear students, how are the things? Look at the pictures and take words from the box and describe them. Okay? Okay, dear students. How are the things? Look at the pictures and take words from the box and describe them. First one is bag. What is the color of the bag? The bag is blue. Okay? The bag is blue. And the second one is green bag. The bag is green. And the third one is pencils. 2 pencils. How many pencils? 2 pencils. Okay? And fourth one is pen. How many pens? 3 pens. And the fifth one is box. That is a small box. More than that. So this is small box and this is big box. Okay? This is big box. Okay, dear students, you have understood that this is color variation and this is number variation and this is size variation. Okay, this is blue bag, this is green bag, this is 2 pencils, this is 3 pens, this is small bags, this is big bag box. Okay. How are the boys? Look at the pictures and take words from the box and describe them. This is a boy, this is a boy, and this is a boy. You have to define them. Like first one is tall boy. This is tall boy. His size is big. Okay, and this is small boy, short boy, and this is fat boy. Right. This is fat boy. Okay. First one is students, then girls, then classroom. Okay. So, how are the persons and place? How are the person and place? Look at the pictures and take words from the box and describe them. You have to take this word to fill up this word. Okay? Students, that is, yes, active students. They are active students because they are working in their school. Okay? Then girls, that is attentive girls. Attentive girls. They are listening their teacher's speech. That's why they are attentive girls. Classroom. decorative classroom, right? This classroom is very decorative. Sushojjito, decorative classroom. Okay. So what is adjective? What is adjective? Tall boy, small box, 3 pens, attentive girls, right? So we can say adjective is a word that describes or clarifies a noun. Dear students, you must write this definition in your notebook, okay? What is the definition of adjective? Adjective is a word that describes or clarifies a noun. Okay, clear? I think that you have understood what is adjective, and this is adjective. This is adjective. Small is adjective here. Tall is adjective here. 3 is adjective here. Attentive is adjective here. The red letters are adjective here. Okay. So adjective is a word that describes or clarifies a noun. Clear? Now we will go to the exact definition of adjective. Adjective describes noun by giving some information or more information. Okay? Adjective describes noun by giving some information about its size, shape, age, color, origin, material or number, quality or number. Okay? Dear students, you have to write this definition in your notebooks. Please do it. Adjective describes noun. Adjective describes noun by giving some information about its size, shape, age, color, origin, material or number. Material or number, quality or number. Okay? So, this is the exact definition of adjective. Firstly, adjective is a word that describes or clarifies a noun. Then, what is the definition of adjective? That times you have to know that adjective describes noun by giving some information or more information about its size, shape, age, color, origin, material or number, quality or number. Okay? This is the definition of adjective. So dear students, today our topic is adjective. We are going to discuss in our class is adjective. Okay? Our topic is adjective. Learning outcomes of this session, of the lesson. By the end of the lesson, the students will be able to identify adjectives, match adjectives with noun, mention some adjectives, describe an animal using adjectives, write about oneself using adjective. Okay, this is our learning outcome. Look at the pictures and match the adjective with the nouns. Okay. Firstly, you have seen 3 or 4 pictures: mother, phone, mangoes, quiet. And here are 4 words: embroidered, happy, smart, 4. Okay? You have to match this word in these pictures. Firstly, embroidered, it will be matched quiet. Embroidered, quiet. Embroidered, quiet. Okay? Happy mother. You are right, happy mother. Smart, this is a smartphone. Okay? You are very well known about this smartphone because you have participated in my class by using this smartphone. Okay? Mangoes, 4 mangoes. How many mangoes? 4 mangoes. Okay? You have already matched the match this picture with that words. So this is very important note you have to write in your notebooks. Note, adjective is used before noun. Adjective is used before noun. This is very important note, so you must write in your notebook this note, okay? Adjective is used before noun. Adjective is used before noun. Okay, dear students? Look at the pictures and describe the words noun with some adjective. Here are some adjective and look at the pictures and describe the words noun with some adjective. Here all words are noun and you have to add some adjective. First one is Royal Bengal Tiger. Royal Bengal Tiger. Legs, body, trip, tail, claws. Since you are staying home, so you can do it individually. Then we will go to next. Read the sentence about a rose and say adjective filling the gaps with letters. For each dash one letter. The rose looks dash. The rose looks beautiful. The rose looks beautiful. Okay? The rose looks beautiful. What is the color of the rose? It is red. It is red. You are right. And third one is, it is charming too. It is charming too. Number 4, it smells sweet. It smells sweet. I feel happy when I see a rose. I feel happy when I see a rose. I become afraid. I become afraid of touching it if there is thorn with it. Okay? I feel afraid of touching it if there is thorn with it. Thorn, that is konto, kata. Please, dear students, this example you have to write in your notebook, please. This is very important note, so you must write this note in your notebook, please. Note, adjective is also used after some linking words such as am, is, are, was, were, feel, become, seems, smell, taste, get. Okay? Adjective is also used after some linking words such as am, is, are, was, were, feel, become, smell, seem, smell, taste, get. Adjective is also used after some linking words such as am, is, are, was, were, feel, become, seem, smell, taste, get. Okay, dear students? Take your friends about the crow using some adjective. Clues are given below. Take your friends about the crow using some adjective. Clues are given below. How it looks, body, eyes, back, legs, wheels. Okay, you have to write some adjective about this topic, this clues. This is your pair work. Since you are staying at home, so you have to do it individually, dear learners. Read the following passage and find out the adjective from it. Anik Islam is a good student. He is also intelligent. He is also intelligent. His school is Mojida Government High School. It is a big school. He sings well. He likes to sing folk song. He also likes to read storybook. You have to write which is adjective in this passage. Anik Islam is a good student. Here good is, here right, your good is adjective. He is also intelligent. He is also intelligent. Here intelligent is adjective. His school is Mojida Government High School. It is a big school. Here big is adjective. He sings well. He sings well. Well is adjective. He likes to folk song. He likes to sing folk song. Folk, yeah, it is adjective. He also likes to read storybook. Storybook, story is also adjective here. Okay. This is your individual work. Write about yourself using some adjective and underline the adjective. Not more than 8 lines. Write about yourself. You have to about yourself using some adjectives and underline the adjectives. It will be not more than 8 lines. Okay. This is your individual work. And this is your homework. Write about your parents using adjective and underline the adjectives. Not more than 15 lines. Write about your parents using adjective and underline the adjective. It will not more than 15 lines. Okay, dear students, we have already reached the finishing line in our classes. Dear learners, thanks a lot for your active participation in my class. And stay home, be safe. And you have to abide by the rules of health and hygiene. Not go outside without any emergency. Okay? Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.